Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading. Just trying out a couple of new things right here with the room. I'm going to do a live screen share. It's the end of the day right here. I'm just working on a couple of new things, so just be patient with me right now. My screens and my cameras and everything are different. I have a new setup right here. Let's see, hey everybody. So we're looking good. I have a new little system happening right now. And I'm testing out my new microphones and my new audio capabilities. And I want to see how it comes in. Look at the UV, boys. I want to see how it comes in versus the quality assurance of the other videos that I'm doing. And we are live right now on January 25th into the close of the market. So let me just keep on watching that UVXY right there. I have a new thing I'm doing, which is this MOJO Day Trading, which is this called Stock Hoot right here. Everybody check this out. It's a free cool subscription, and you can follow me. I've built a portfolio right here of stocks that you can check it out. My strategy, what my open positions are, my closed positions. I haven't closed anything. I don't know why these are closed. I'll have to speak to them. They made a mistake on their error. These better be open. PIRS, MOSI, and these other ones. Yeah, PIRS. Hey, what happened? That's weird. I don't understand why. What happened? I made a profit of $22.54. What, are they kidding me? And I don't have the position no more? What? Alright, let's check it out. Let's see. So I have, I have to get used to my screens here. So I'm in this thing called Stock Hoot right here. And they closed out these positions for me, but I didn't close nothing out like that. PIRS and MOSI in them, I didn't do that. And here's the stocks. So PIRS is right there and MOSI's right there. I don't know why they closed those out for me. So I'll just put them in again. So I like eBio right here and put $5,000 into that. It's trading at 212. In 1 month, it'll be 250. Stop 202. Ken Slim Bio, and this is a nice little scenario right there. So they closed also MOSI for me. I have no idea why. Let me just see if I have MOSI in here. I'm up on UV nice. I bought UV at $23.90. 24.14. This is not, oh, that's the last price. Where did I buy it? I bought it right here. 24.26, 24.21, and no, I didn't buy it. I bought it at 24. Oh, their service is all messed up. I'm gonna have to send them an email. And their service is not accurate. I'm not even having the screen in there, so I pull it over here. Let me send them an email. Tell them to watch my YouTube. telling them the whole system's messed up. Watch my video, I'll send it to you. I ain't gonna deal with this. You watch this, I ain't gonna deal with putting in trades and having to maneuver around. Your system's messed up. Target price is irrelevant. Remove that column. Doesn't mean anything. Your target price. Big deal. I picketed here. It's big deal. What's your target price? You buy it here, you win, you win, you lose. That's what you judge the person on. You're wasting a column there. Your buy date should be first. So the date you bought it, the symbol, stop loss. I don't put stop losses in, but whatever. There's your stop loss column. I'd buy more. Why would I get stopped out? I'd buy more at 202, and then I'd bump it back and get out at 205. Your system's all messed up. And then quantity right there, cost basis. That's not correct. I bought UVXY at $24, $23.95. Not there. Not $24.26. Not $24.32. Didn't. SIFI, I didn't buy. I bought SIFI lower. PIRS right here, $1.94 cost. I mean, the stock went to 207. How come there's a sell in there? Your system's all messed up, dudes. So if you fix it, I'll stay with you and put in positions, but I ain't gonna stay and do this. It's all messed up. I have it on the wrong screen too. So right here, all these positions, I didn't buy this at 24.30. What's that stop loss? I bought it, you said I bought 20, I didn't buy it at 24.32. And I didn't buy 200, yeah, I guess I did 200 shares. RGSC, I put in $3,000 worth, yeah. $3,000 worth. Yeah, the shares, you could do it, I guess dollar amount's fine. That's fine. Comments, what's that? Those are my comments. Okay. Nice little system, but it's a little messed up because I didn't close out any of these positions. Let me see how you could even close out a position. Open positions, yeah, close position. I never hit any of these buttons before. So if you guys could please fix this up on the closed positions and remove this and put those back in. And my cost basis was you guys messed it all up. So we can just start over. We can just remove everything. We can try again. I can close all the positions and restart over if you'd like, because it's all messed up. So why don't we do that? And then you guys can just reset my account. We'll try again. Start fresh. Got 4 left. I met these guys on StockTwits. I told them I would do something and help them out and become their top stock picker, but I'm not going to be able to waste my time and take away from my real trading right now to play around with something that doesn't work. So great, I started with 100 grand. They better refresh this thing back up. Let's see what we have here going into the close. Bunch of nothing. So you can see my screen is a little bit different right now. You can see I have a nice setup, level 2s. I'm live. I got my trade ideas, biggest gainers. I'm working on some different scans with them. The problem with them is as soon as I click, watch, as soon as I click on my screen, their stuff disappears. So it needs to be able to like stay on top. Like have a function where you can stay on top of the documents and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I don't have to go back and press and re-click the buttons to get them back up. So that's an error with their system that hopefully they could fix. Mention something to them. You write it down in my journal. Always on top. So the market's up 162. It's been a record day, and I'm really just testing out right here. I want to see how the quality of the recording comes in with my new mic setup. If you want to see right here, I've got an amazing microphone audio setup, guys, to control the function of my office. Look at that microphone setup with that booth around it. It's pretty amazing. It's like my own little mini recording studio. So I'm interested to see the quality of this video and see how that's working. And that's pretty much it. So we've had a great day trading. The Mojo room, also fantastic. There's the Mojo room. My voice is choppy a little bit right now. Choppy. No, I should be good. Nice, perfect. I just want to show everybody here, we had a couple of conversations with the Cobra. Mike, I had a problem switching over. IB kept timing me out. I called Cobra, and Dan was more than helpful than I could believe. I'm so happy to be switching to them. I posted this to let everyone know what great customer service Cobra has. Better than any I've had with IB or anyone else. Thanks so much for your help in setting all this up for us. Absolutely, it's the best. And DAS is a separate system. Like I trade on DAS. You're looking at the DAS trader. It works very simply, guys. Watch this. You go to dastrader.com. It's really simple. Check it out. You go to dastrader.com and you click subscribe right up here. And then you click for interactive brokers right there. And then this comes up right here. And then you pick your subscription. So you pick right here, monthly. You can go basic level. I'm on this 120 a month. Level 1. Actually, I think this is basis level 1 data. I'm on this one for the 150. I think I have total view. I'm on the deluxe package for 150 a month right there. And then once you click this, you subscribe through your PayPal or your card. And then you click here and you put in your account number that you have been supplied with. You put in your full name, email address, and you contact Dan at Cobra Trading, and that will get you fully involved and set up with that scenario, just like that. Okay? Really excellent apparatus of trading mobility. I did a nice review on Short Trader on my blog and in the last video I did today. Real nice. Let's see what we have here going into the end of the day. Just really not doing nothing. Dry ships is $3.99. Can you believe that? Amazing, right? Traded the pants off that today. We're going to expect another big bounce off that soon. Just because there's a lot of short interest. Did great on CDTI. I'm going to remove all these and get ready for tomorrow, folks. If you don't mind. And I'm going to take one quick look at the swing picks. PIRS is a swing pick. And it's $2. So here's the swings. You got to get used to my new screen setup. So I'll give you an update. I'll have to update my sheet anyway. And then I got to go check the model portfolio and get that going too. So let's see if I can find the newsletter. Here's the pick on PIRS at $1.98. Right there, you saw that. Let me find the here's the pick the solars. Real good. CSIQ, SPI, Solar's play is moving. I sent that on a Monday. Here's the newsletter. Let's get it open. So here is the first pick. You have SIFI. See the SIFI? It went to $1.07. So here's SIFI right here. SIFI went yesterday on the 20th to $1.06. Really nice move on SIFI. We had it originally at 73 cents. That was the first one. Here's the next one. Rentec RTK at 216. Risk reward low on the downside 10. Reward up on the upside huge. RTK. That's right here at 216. And you can see what it did right here. And the stock went to 266. And today it went to 268. That's RTK. For the swing newsletter that was sent out on Sunday night. Right here's the pick, and that's the pick right here. Here's the entry buys, and here's the fills all the way, everything on it right there. The next pick was PRKR at 257, Parker Vision at 257. So we got Parker, PRKR at 257. And Parker's the same, around 240 right here. Made a move up right there to 295. Still have some left on that. So let me show you how that's going to make a move back and test the top of that. So be patient. And then you have right here MOC at 281, Command Security. We've been in this one before. Command Security. Show you that. MOC. Is a 297, been to 308 today, made a high. I'm still expecting it to make a move over that for y'all. Also doing and performing real nice from 281 to 3. And we have this one, 570 with a tight stop here and a big move up through Heinz 6. That should have been updated right here. And this is $6 right there. And that's 570 on PCTI, swing pick. And these went from smaller to larger for different traders that are in the group. PCTI went to 6 today, but it has gone up to a 622 and went over 6 right there and made a really nice move for the MOJO traders. The next one after that was right here, MTP. It's a watch pick due to volume, so we're low volume. You can see that, so we're not really going to play that one at 310. Just watching it to see if there's a volume increase in MTP. Today it traded 600 shares, so you see you can't trade that. That's why it was a watch, specifically stated for everyone. And then these are my solar flyers that I'm looking for a move in the solars to make a nice little bounty play rebound. And that's the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter from Sunday. Real nice. So everything's working good. I'm gonna go check out how the everything's working. Watcher Stan, thanks. See you tomorrow. Good job, dude. What you think of the room, Stan? Is he still here? Yeah, he's still here. What you think, Stan? I know you're gonna come back tomorrow, but at least you can give me an evaluation. Tell me how my cooking was. You're not gonna compliment the chef or anything and say fine day of food. Really, it was good. Don't bother coming back. What are you gonna come back for? What are you coming back for? So you can. It's good. It was freaking great, dude. I was a magician today. What are you gonna come back for? I'd be interested to know.
Blah, 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 blah.
Before
You're fired.
you have to get used to my trading style. What? Pressing the button when I say press it, and then when the picture goes up again, pressing the button again to sell it? Is that what you have to get used to? No, I don't. I put a picture up in the level 2. You press the button to buy, and then I put a picture up in the level 2 as I talk you through it. You put a picture in to sell. My 9-year-old son does it 3 times a day. He has his own account. He's made $42,000 so far. So I don't understand what you're trying to say. What do you have to get used to? It makes no sense at all. It's a bunch of blah, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
You know, give me a break. I trade quick. Well, the market's quick. That's why you have to take Mojo University to work on your speed. That's why I do. So what I do, because you have to be fast. Fast as lightning. Where's my fingers? See, you have to be like that. Bing, 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 bing. Cool. So see you tomorrow. Maybe you'll get the mojo. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Everybody, keep it profitable. Let's see what we got closed. Ooh, my UV, they messed it up for me in that stock hoot. If they don't put my trades back in, they're in big trouble. All right, guys. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. See you later. Thank you. Become a pro trader, guys.